Your stomach can growl even when you're not hungry, and it's not asking for food. Inside your stomach and intestines, there are regular muscle waves that move every few hours, even if you just ate. Their job is to clean out leftover food, liquid and air, and reset your digestive system. When your stomach is mostly empty, those movements become louder and the sound echoes through the hollow space. That noise is called a migrating motor complex, and it means your digestion is working normally. So when your stomach growls randomly, it's not hunger at all, it's your body doing maintenance.